Very good morning, children. Welcome to Hindi class. Today I am going to explain about Pad and Ra. In last class already I explained Ra and Ref Ra. Today Pad and Ra. Let us see Ra के विभिन्न रूप. Ra alphabet Ra. Examples is Raat, Ref Ra. Examples are Sarp, Church. Ref की मात्रा symbol above the Shiroreka, it look like C. Okay. Above the Vyanjan letter, we should apply Ref की मात्रा. This is Ref की मात्रा symbol. Okay. Today Pad and Ra. Examples are Pranam, Prem, Truck. Okay. Let us see Pad and Ra. Swar Sahit Ra. Swar Sahit Ra also called Pad and Ra. Here below the letter we should apply Ra matra. So it is called Pad and Ra. Okay. Ra matra applied below the letter. So it is called Pad and Ra. In Pad and Ra we are having two types of symbols. Okay. These two are Pad and Ra symbols. Okay. One is it look like slanting line and another one reverse V. These two are Pad and Ra matras. Okay. Let us see here. Ra se pahle means before the Ra letter. यदि स्वर रहित व्यंजन means half alphabet. When we are having half alphabet before the Ra letter, we should apply Pad and Ra की मात्रा. Okay. Ra से पहले यदि स्वर रहित व्यंजन आए तो Ra उस व्यंजन के पैर में लग जाता है. पैर means below. Okay, पैर means leg. Leg means below the letter. Ending of the letter we should apply Pad and की मात्रा. Okay. If half alphabet comes before Ra, then Ra will join at the standing line of that alphabet. This type of Pad and Ra we should apply only which letters having standing line. Okay. Like Ka, Ga and this Ga, Pa. Okay. All letters having standing line at the end. Standing line means this one. Okay. Except Ta letter, Ta varg. Okay. All alphabets except Ta varg. Ta varg letters not having standing line. All Hindi letters means Vyanjan. Okay. All Hindi Vyanjan consonants having standing line except Ta varg. Ta varg, see here, Ta, Ta, Da, Da. These four letters are not having standing line. Okay. Understood, children? Standing line of that alphabet. Ending of the alphabet we should apply slanting line type of Pad and Ra की मात्रा. See the examples. Ik plus Ra, Kra. Here Ik half alphabet and full Ra letter. Ik plus Ra, Kra. Okay. In Ref की मात्रा we are having full alphabet and half Ra and alphabet letter. Okay. In this Ref की मात्रा half letter, half Ra comes here. So next letter above the letter we are having this type of Ref की मात्रा. Kark. Already I explained yesterday. Kirk means cancer. Okay. Here in Ref ki matra half ra and full alphabet. But in Paden ki ra half alphabet and full ra. Both are quite opposite. Okay. In Ref ki matra full alphabet and half ra. Ref half ra full alphabet. Paden full ra half alphabet. Remember this point, children. Okay. Ik plus ra plus ma. Before ra letter we are having half alphabet. Okay. Before ra letter we are having half alphabet. So we should apply this type of ref ki matra to the letter. Krama. Okay. Krama. Krama means order or sequence. For ta varg letters, which type of ref ki matra we use to ta varg letters, children? Reverse V. Okay. Reverse V paden ra matra used to ta varg letters. In words we are having, when we are having this type of 4 letters, ta varg letters, we should apply this type of ref ki matra only. Reverse V type of paden ki matra we should apply only these 4 letters. Only these 4 letters having reverse V type of paden ki matra. Remember this point. These 4 letters having only reverse V type of paden ki matra. All letters having like slanting line paden ra, but these 4 letters having only reverse V paden matra. Okay, children, understood? See here, it half alphabet and full ra plus ka. It plus ra tra ka truck. Id plus ra plus ma drum. Okay, understood? Once again, children, know the difference between ref and paden. In ref ki matra we are having half ra and full alphabet. In paden ra we are having full ra and half alphabet. Okay. Ra matra comes in ref ki matra half letter and full alphabet. In paden ra half alphabet and full ra. This is the difference between ref and paden ra. Okay. चित्र सहित पदेन रा वाले कुछ अन्य शब्द. Some more examples about पदेन रा मात्रा. Okay, let us see. ग्रह. ग्रह. Here ga letter having standing line, so we should apply this type of पदेन की मात्रा. ग्रह. Okay, write ga and we should apply this type of पदेन रा मात्रा. ग्रह means planet. Next, chakra. Ka letter having standing line, so below the letter we should apply slanting type of paden ki matra. Chakra. Chakra means circle or wheel. Krama. Already we know. Krama means order or sequence. Chandrama. Here the letter having this type of standing line, so we should apply slanting line paden ki matra below the letter. Chandrama. Chandrama means moon. Prakash. Pa letter having standing line, so we should apply below the pa letter to ra ki paden ra matra. Prakash. Prakash means light. Gram. Gram means village or in measurements. Already we know 250 grams, 500 grams. In measurement also we use gram. Okay. Let us see here. Truck. Ta letter comes here. Which type of paden ram we should use, children? Reverse V. Okay, so to the ta letter we should apply reverse V paden ki matra. Truck. Truck means truck. Train. Here also ta letter comes. So we should use reverse V type of paden matra to the ra letter. Train means train. Drum. Da letter comes here. Ta work means ta, tha, da, dha. So da letter comes here. Paden reverse V ra matra we should use to the da letter. Below the da letter we should apply reverse V paden ki ra ki matra. Drum means drum. Okay children. Once again remember this point children. In ref ki matra we are having half ra and full alphabet. In paden ki matra we are having full ra and half alphabet. Okay. Ta, tha, da, dha. Only ta work letters having reverse V type of paden ki matra. All letters having slanting line type of paden ki matra. Okay. In paden ki matra only ta work letters having reverse V type of paden ra matra. Remember these 2 points. Okay. Understood? Thank you.